to KXNet.com.
As more and more people are vaccinated for the coronavirus, questions remain about when it's safe to begin socializing and in what capacity. One specific question that's been circulating is, can grandparents who have been vaccinated safely visit with their grandkids? As a grandparent, Chief Health Strategist Dr. Wynne says he would not. He says although the risk to himself is low now with the vaccine, he could still be a carrier of the virus, and he wouldn't want to transmit it to his grandchildren or through them to his kids or others. He says it's not been a common problem, but until the research shows transmission with a vaccine is not possible, he urges everyone to take the same precautions that have been recommended for months, which is something Dr. Wynne knows is not easy.
I try to not just talk the talk, but walk the walk. I have not hugged my little granddaughter in 1 year.
Dr. Wynne says he'd be much more comfortable visiting with family or friends who are also vaccinated. He says it's still an odds game, but that would be safer, although we still don't know whether or not those that have been vaccinated could transmit it.
As we learn